How to make money online from your phone in 2026. If you've been searching for how to make money online from your phone in 2026 and wondering whether it's actually possible to build income without expensive equipment, without a laptop, and without complicated tech skills, this video is exactly for you. Because right now there are complete beginners making money online using nothing more than their phones, AI tools, faceless content, and affiliate marketing systems. And honestly, this is one of the biggest opportunities available right now because social media platforms are rewarding short-form content more than ever before. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. People are scrolling constantly every single day. And creators who understand how to use that attention are turning simple phone-based content into affiliate commissions online. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how beginners are making money online from their phones, how faceless affiliate marketing works, what tools people are using, and the exact business-in-a-box system helping people shortcut the learning curve in 2026. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'll also explain how AI tools are changing content creation, how beginners are automating parts of the process, and why consistency matters more than perfection. Now, before we continue, if you want instant access to the exact system, AI tools, faceless Reels library, and affiliate marketing training I'm talking about in this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below. That's where you can get instant access today. And also subscribe right now because this channel is all about affiliate marketing, AI tools, faceless content, online side hustles, and beginner-friendly ways to make money online in 2026. Now let's get started. So first of all, is it actually possible to make money online from your phone? Absolutely. In fact, it's easier today than ever before because almost everything can now be done directly from mobile apps. You can create content, edit videos, generate captions, post reels, reply to comments, manage affiliate links, and even automate parts of your business all from your phone. That's why phone-based side hustles are exploding right now. Now, the method I'm talking about in this video revolves around affiliate marketing combined with faceless short-form content. And honestly, this is one of the easiest entry points for beginners because you do not need inventory, shipping, customer support, websites, or complicated coding skills. The process is actually simple. You post content. People watch your videos. Some viewers click your affiliate links. Sales happen. You earn commissions. That's it. And depending on the offer, some commissions can pay around $200 per sale. Now, one of the biggest mistakes beginners make is thinking they need professional cameras or advanced editing skills before they can start. That's not true anymore. AI tools and done-for-you content systems are changing everything. Inside the system I'm talking about in this video, there's access to over 100,000 ready-to-post faceless reels. That means beginners can start posting content almost immediately without creating videos from scratch. You can customize the videos if you want, add captions, tweak hooks, include affiliate links, and start building traffic right from your phone. And honestly, that's one of the biggest reasons this opportunity is growing so fast in 2026. Now, if you want access to the same Faceless Reels library and AI tools I'm talking about, check the link in the pinned comment below because that's where you can get instant access today. Now, another huge feature inside the system is the AI viral hook and script generator. This is extremely important because attention is everything online. If your content doesn't grab attention quickly, people scroll immediately. That's why hooks matter so much. The AI tools inside the platform help generate viral hooks, captions, scripts, video ideas, and content angles automatically. So instead of spending hours trying to figure out what to post, beginners can create content much faster while staying consistent. And honestly, creators using AI tools right now have a huge advantage because they can produce more content in less time. Now let's talk about why short-form content works so well. Platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts are heavily pushing video content. That means even small creators can get views. You do not need huge audiences to start. Even brand new accounts can generate traffic if the content is engaging. That's why phone-based affiliate marketing has become such a massive opportunity for beginners. Now, another thing I really like about this model is privacy. A lot of people want to make money online without becoming influencers. They don't want to constantly show their face or share personal details online. That's where faceless content becomes powerful. You can create motivation videos, AI clips, business edits, finance content, quote videos, tutorials, or viral-style reels completely faceless. And some faceless pages are getting millions of views. Now, another advantage is reposting content across multiple platforms. One video can go on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. That means more exposure without creating extra work. More exposure means more opportunities for clicks and affiliate commissions. And because you're managing everything from your phone, this becomes one of the most flexible side hustles available right now. Now let's talk about daily workflow, because honestly, this is much simpler than most people think. A basic beginner workflow could look like this. Log into the dashboard, grab a few faceless reels, generate hooks or captions with AI, upload content across multiple platforms, add affiliate links, reply to comments, repeat consistently. That's it. Simple consistency over time. Now, another feature inside the system is automated email swipe templates. This matters because most people don't buy immediately. Usually, people need multiple exposures before making a decision. That's why follow-up matters so much in affiliate marketing. Having done-for-you email templates already written saves beginners a massive amount of time. Now, if this video is helping you understand how to make money online from your phone, hit the like button because it helps this video reach more people looking for beginner-friendly online income ideas in 2026. And again, subscribe because I'm going to continue posting tutorials about affiliate marketing, AI tools, TikTok growth, YouTube Shorts, faceless content, and beginner-friendly side hustles. Now, obviously, this is not some overnight success button. You still need patience and consistency. But compared to traditional online businesses, making money online from your phone using affiliate marketing and AI-powered faceless content is one of the lowest barrier opportunities available in 2026. And honestly, most people fail simply because they never start. They keep researching, they keep watching videos, but they never actually post content consistently. Meanwhile, other people are learning by doing and building momentum every day. That's why I always tell beginners, do not wait for perfection. Start now, learn as you go, improve with consistency. Now, if you're serious about learning how to make money online from your phone and want access to the exact business-in-a-box system, AI tools, faceless Reels library, dashboards, training, landing pages, and automation tools mentioned in this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below right now and get instant access. And once you get inside, leave a comment below this video and let me know, because I always try to help beginners get moving in the right direction. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more affiliate marketing tutorials, AI content strategies, phone-based side hustles, and make money online videos for beginners in 2026. And I'll see you in the next video.